Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify YouTube account without phone number. Is it possible? So we are going to open our channel here and go into the settings. And once we are in the settings, we need to go on to the channel and feature eligibility. And for the basic features here, you can see that your channel is free of active community guidelines, right? So if you have this option that you do not have any strike, then you have standard features enabled. But here you can see intermediate features. For this you need to verify your phone number. So if you verify your phone number, you have the option to video upload up to longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnail and live streaming. Let's suppose if you want these features, then you need to open any website on to the Google and search for free phone number, and you can find plenty of websites there that you can get a virtual phone number in minutes, and you can use that to verify your YouTube channel if you do not want to use your personal number. So this is the only method possible that you can use, and there is no other method possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.